The lancewood, a fascinating New Zealand tree. As a juvenile, the lancewood has long, leathery leaves with toothed edges pointing down. The adult tree looks completely different, with bushy crown of bordering leaves, a classic example of adaptation from the moa. Found throughout the North and South Island in low-lying forests. It prefers well-draining soils and forest edges. It is tolerant of drought once established. Easily recognised by its dramatic changing leaf shape as a juvenile to adult. It takes about 15 years to transition from juvenile to adult. It produces small yellowish flowers and black fruit. It is threatened by possum bruising and deer. Sphagnum moss, a soft, spongy moss capable of holding 20 times its weight in water. It plays a crucial role in wetlands ecosystem. It is found in wetlands, bogs, and damp forest floors all across New Zealand. It needs moist, acidic conditions. It helps regulate water flow and provides habitat for insects and microorganisms. It has a light green or reddish tufts, often forming thick mats. Reproduction via spores and vegetation fragments grows slowly. It grows slowly, around 1 millimeter a year. Numbers are declining due to wetland destruction. Other threats are harvesting and climate change. The rimu, one of New Zealand's most iconic trees. A tall conifer reaching up to 50 metres, with droopy branches and small-scale leaves. It has a graceful weeping form, found throughout the country, especially in low-lying forests. It thrives in moist, well-drained soils, often found in mixed podocarp forests. Look for its distinct reddish-brown bark. Rimu cones are tiny little berry-like, providing food for birds. Rimu is slow-growing. Female trees produce seeds every few years, and it takes 15 months for the seeds to mature. The threats are possum bruising and slow regeneration. The New Zealand robin, or the totawai, is a small, inquisitive bird, often seen hopping close to bushwalks. It's a small bird, about 18 centimetres tall, grey and black, with a pale belly, known for its boldness and upright stance. Present in North and South Island forests, especially where predator control is in place. It prefers native forests with lots of tree litter for foraging insects. They do best in areas with minimal predators. Their warbling song is easy to recognise, and they often follow people hopping to stir up insects. Nesting occurs from September to January, with females doing most of the nest building. Chicks are fed by both parents. The New Zealand robin is at risk, declining due to predators and habitat destruction. They eat insects, fruit, and even small animals. Their loud, repetitive call between male and females is distinctive. They also can be spotted by their confident strut through the forest tracks. Wekas breed from August to January, laying 2 to 4 eggs in nests on the ground. Both parents feed the chicks. In some regions, Weka's population are stable, some are declining, and some are very threatened. Weka, a flightless bird full of personality, about the size of a chicken with strong legs, a pointed beak, and a streaky brown body. Weka are bold and curious, often approaching humans. Found in scattered populations across the South Island, Stewart Island, and a few offshore islands, not common in the North Island. Weka need a mix of dense cover for shelter and open ground for foraging. Their Whio, or the blue duck, a treasured species that lives in New Zealand. Unlike most ducks, the whio is a torrent duck, especially adapted to fast-flowing rivers. It's medium size with slate blue feathers and a distinct whio are only found in New Zealand, mainly in fast-flowing rivers of the central North Island, the west coast, and Fiordland. They require clean, fast-moving mountain rivers, usually at high elevations. Their diet is mostly insects. Besides their whistling call, look for their blue-grey colour and their strong shape, which helps them stay stable in the turbulent waters. Whio nest in riverbanks between August and October, and their chicks swim almost immediately after hatching. Classified as naturally vulnerable on the New Zealand Threat Certification, introduced predators such as stoats are a major problem, especially during nesting. Habitat degradation